Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply access templates for your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, that when you are on Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus L. But if you are on a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus L. So I'm on Windows, so I'm going to press Ctrl Shift and L. And voila, here we got it. And I'm going to just click my templates or blocks or pages, and voila. And here you can choose anything you desire, anything you want. So that's pretty much it. And this is how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.